Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I've done a video like this before, but this person's having trouble with this, getting rid of I don't understand what kind of laser he has, but he has to export it to another software from Corel to run his laser. So I'm trying to help him out, and I did one yesterday just for him like this, uh, but he said he wanted it in basically reverse engraving. He wants everything. He said he says he wants it just like it looks, but it's engraving the white, or he's just getting all black. Because if you take away the white, you get the black. The white is actually on top of there. So I've already traced it under, converted to a bitmap, traced it. So I'm just going to take away the outside white, and then I'm going to select it all, and I'm going to take away all the fill. But then I'm going to put a hairline hairline around it. And then all you have to do is, if you want all the black, just take your Smart Fill tool and have black. Now you have a reverse engraved product. The wood or whatever you're engraving will not be touched because this is transparent, but this circle would be engraved. Now just remember that it is made up of hairlines, so if you're ever going to cut anything, you would have to left click no outline. Now you have nothing but, and it is a pretty nice little image. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.